How to detect aircon gas leaking problem. Common causes of air conditioner leaks. Vibration tends to rub the refrigerant lines together, and this is one of the major causes of gas leaks. An inexperienced technician can also damage the coil while trying to remove excess ice from the cooling oil. Corrosion is yet another major cause. It could lead to gas leak when the evaporating oil or condensing coil corrode. Some locations where leaks often occur on an air conditioning unit. A corroded cooling oil present in the handler unit. This is an expensive repair that often requires replacement of the coil. Corrosion could also occur on the condensing coil that is fitted within the condenser. This is also an expensive repair that requires replacement of the coil. Refrigerant lines that have suffered mechanical damage also cause gas leaks. This happens due to the vibration of the hard surfaces. Poorly soldered controls or fittings. Leaky connections, for instance around control valves and controls. Some very practical guidelines for quickly identifying gas leaks. What majority of the leak detecting device instructions do not clearly define the practical procedures for examining aircon systems to find gas leaks. To begin the process, you need to make sure the refrigerant cooling, condensing, and piping coils are properly exposed, as this allows for easier access. Furthermore, when the pressure of the compressor head reaches the peak, the safety mechanism will kick in and shut down inbuilt compressor motor. If you have a leak detector or any other similar device, you can turn it on and begin using it. With a leak detecting device, you can use the tip of the device while it is closely held to the cooling and piping coil surfaces. To do a proper check of leaks, you might want to start the process from a convenient point and follow the entire length of the tubing and the piping structures. It is a good idea to search for stains that are appearing on the refrigerant piping, including the controls. The stains are an indication of constant gas leaks at the locations of staining. Also, you can listen carefully for any whistling sounds coming from the thermostatic expansion valve. If you notice any whistling sounds on this component, then the refrigerant could possibly be too low. However, you can call a professional technician in Singapore to detect aircon gas leaking and carry out the necessary repair procedures.